let's take a look at the most terrifying and mind-blowing planet known to man. Scientifically named HD189733b, with the well-earned nickname, the Nightmare Planet. This planet may look cute and cuddly, but it's far from it. The weather on this planet is extremely deadly. It rains molten glass at blistering speeds of 5,400 miles per hour, which is roughly 7 times the speed of sound. Sounds crazy, right? We aren't done yet. This planet is so close to its host star, it completes an entire orbit or year in just over 2 Earth days. This is the kind of thing you would find in your nightmares, hence the nickname. But the only difference is, this is real.